I tire to lose my pain. I'm lost in secret worlds, dark and aggressive, and I revel in the blood of all my foes. Come and meet me in these foregone fantasies. I've wished my weapons to be palpable. I wish to feel their blood on my face. I wished my war cries understandable. Let everyone know their disgrace, which is my own today. And I rage until I tire to lose my pain. Well, I'm lost in secret worlds, dark and aggressive, and I'm dancing on the skulls of all my foes. Come and meet me in these courtyards.